I have a bit of an attachment with the MacBook Air because I was actually at the WWDC where Apple unveiled that MacBook Air redesign with this more squared off form factor. I was there with my boy Carl Conrad, we were getting a bunch of content. And so when they released the 15-inch M3 model, I knew it was time to finally dip my toes in. Picked up a used one for $1,000 Canadian. It's a mid-spec, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gig SSD. I had to get it in that midnight colorway and I couldn't be happier. For my intended use, it's strictly creative. Final Cut and sending off some invoices. Ideally, I'd sacrifice the headphone jack and throw an SD card slot in there and it would be the perfect computer. It's only a couple pounds, it's super thin, but that 15-inch display, it's such a huge canvas to work off of. It's my main screen. I don't have a monitor to use it with, so I use it at my desk, I use it on the couch, I use it when I'm out and about in the city. Anywhere that I am where I need to get some editing done, I can comfortably do it on this. Having the bigger trackpad as well is quite comfortable. I love the keyboard. The speakers are fantastic, but I'm usually connected to Bluetooth headphones if I'm ever outside of my studio here. Over the last 2 years, M3 has aged incredibly well for my workflow. I shoot on C-Log. Any content that I do for Carl Conrad, for Hardware Canucks, this thing just churns through it like butter. It handles anything and everything without any issue, so I know it's gonna age for the foreseeable future exceptionally well. I've got it paired up with a few accessories that just bring me joy. There's dbrand skin up on the cover. We've got a matte screen protector on the display. It's not the brightest of a screen. That matte screen protector just helps me fight some glare if I'm ever out in the daylight. And then there's a midnight color skin on the trackpad and on the wrist rest there. But my favorite, of course, being this super cute crocheted MacBook sleeve that my fiance made for me. So just gives me a little bit extra padding to throw this into my bag to haul around in. I was able to justify it because though I only ever use it for those two intended purposes, the amount that I'm editing every single day, it is a second job. It's a hobby where I make videos like these or my hockey videos every single day. It enables me to do all that efficiently and reliably in a very, very transportable package. So I was able to justify it that way. But again, got a steal at only $1,000 Canadian.